Today we're going to be fixing a P0456 code on a 2018 Dodge Durango RT. We're going to be replacing this evap hose. As you can see, it is broken right there. Right there. And on this side too. Right there. So let's get started. First we're going to take off this. Like that. Does this one come up? Does not. We have a new part here. Put it right now. Nice. Perfect fit. I'm taking off this. You press both sides and it should pop off. Like that. We got the piece out. Look how bad this was. Like that. Like that. Clip secure. So this one goes plugged in there. Like that. Secure. And then on the old one, got to disconnect this part. Press on the two brain sides. It has it on this side too. And pull this thing out. Got it. Okay. It's a little dirty. Clean it a little bit. Clean it with a dirty rag. Okay. Go and put it in here. Like that. Perfect. We're going to have to find it. It fell. The flashlight fell too. And look. Right there. Got the flashlight. Oh. Got the piece in. Okay, so now you just had to put the piece back in. Yeah, I was. And there you go. Finished. Finished. Secure. And done. Donito.